What up guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm Daniel, just like Tiny but with the D. Okay, so today you guys requested on my Instagram, I did a poll and I was thinking of doing a makeup tutorial for the orangey yellow summer look I did. So if you want to know what it looks like this. And yeah, so you guys requested for a tutorial and here it is. Okay, so first things first, obviously gotta put my headband on. And now I gotta prep my face. Already done, to put some sprays, moisturizer, now to put other sprays on. Smells like coconut. Okay, so now as we got this on my face, it's dried now. As you can see, it's made it kind of glowy and shiny, which I love. So next we're going to make it more shiny and glowy with this number 7 Skin Illuminator. This is just the small size. I did buy a full size but I haven't opened it yet, so I just have to finish this. So take some of this. BB cream, so I said the Garnier BB cream, the shade Light. Now as I want a bit more coverage, I usually put a foundation but I mix it with moisturizer so it's, you know, a bit more lighter, and also it's a bit dark for me as well. This is my sister's one, it was too dark for her so she gave it to me. So this is the Rimmel Match Perfection foundation in the shade Classic Beige, and as you can see it's a bit dark for me. I did mix it with my number 7 moisturizer but I didn't really like it because it was quite, let's say, liquidy in a way. So I mixed it with Cetaphil. I can't remember the moisturizer name but I had a picture here. Mixed it in this mint julep slush pot and I'll just put it onto my face, my finger. Beauty blender, blend that in. Okay, so after that's done, I'm going to move on to concealer. So I do have 2 concealers. I'm going to use my old one because that's what I used for this look that I posted. So it's the Collection Cover Stick. As you can see, it's wrecked. It is wrecked. And it's in the colour Natural Beige. And I did get another concealer by Maybelline, which is Super Stay Better Skin. This is in the shade Light. I do like this one, but I'm using this one so I can just finish it. So put that under my nose, forehead, just everywhere. Don't really care where. Okay, so after blending the concealer in, this part is where it gets messy. So I have never used this before, never. So my sister gave this to me like a couple of years ago. I just never used it. And now I think I should use it because I was like, what is baking? So I was like, I think I'll try it out. So I'm going to use this Bit Night Luxury Powder in the shade Banana. So the only thing here about this is when I open it up, it just literally with powder falls. So I'm just going to do it down here over a piece of tissue. So oh poop, I want to pour some on the lid. So I've got it here in the lid, just want to pour it up. Get my beauty blender tab. I don't know how to use this, I just do whatever I do. I don't wait for it to bake because CBA, I don't have that time, where I do but I don't want to anyway. So I'll just do it here, my nose, forehead, side of my nose because I see some people do that part. So next is I put some translucent powder. So this is the number 7 Airbrush Translucent Finishing Powder. And I'm going to get my brush. After that's done, I put some blush on. So I usually use a powder brush, which is the Natural Selection brush. But it's a Natural Selection? Natural Collection, sorry, I was thinking about Darwin, sorry. It's this e.l.f. lip cheat tint themable. blend it. Just blend it with a brush. Okay, so now it should look like this. So, anyways, I'm gonna try to contour this fat ass Asian ass nose. The M Chisel Cheeks contour kit in the shade Light is quite dirty because I've had it for a while, and to be fair, it's kind of like running out. I hit pan already, so I'll have to buy more. Okay guys, I couldn't get this flat ass Asian nose to be snatched as I wanted it to be. Alright, probably lighting, let's say. So I'm gonna chisel these cheekbones. I have a live audience as well. You can hear background noises.
You're beautiful, Dana.
I know. Thanks.
No props.
My cheeks chiseled enough?
I think it is chiseled enough, sis. Very chiseled, actually.
Okay, so I'm gonna use this Huda Beauty, not Huda.
Oh, sorry.
Huda Beauty Winter Highlighter Palette. So what I do is I use 1, 2, 3, all these 3, not the cream one because I don't like the cream one. It's too creamy. Oh.
That's not nice, sis.
No, I don't like it.
Is that the brush you need for highlighter, sis?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. So where do you put the highlighter, sis?
Weren't you looking?
Your cheeks and your nose?
Weren't you watching?
I am.
Here.
Yes.
Here. Nose. Bridge of nose. Above the lips. Cupid's, I think it's called Cupid's bow. Chin. A bit on the forehead. People do eyebrows, but I don't do that.
Okay, it's pretty much everywhere.
I put a lot.
So will this be everyday makeup then?
Well,
Or just when you...
why would I wear orange and yellow to work?
Oh!
I have to wear natural makeup to work.
Okay.
Which I might do another video, but it's very similar to what I'm doing now. So, except for without the eyeshadow stuff. So next is eyebrows. So what I'm going to do is take this bar of soap. It's from France.
From France?
From France.
Oh dear.
Yes, and I'm going to take the spray I used earlier, e.l.f. Dewy Mist, and I'm just going to do one spray on the CBA to get water, one spray on the soap, your spoolie, blue, smear it like that.
How do you do that?
It's lemon. Huh?
How do you do that?
Kinda, have you not seen trends lately about soft brows?
No.
Which you're not in. And then you're gonna brush through your brows like this so you can make them like bushy and thicker. As you can see, I have really long hair, so I just don't cut them. So like this.
Your eyebrows are quite cute.
Okay, thanks. I don't like it because I don't have any eyebrows at the end.
Oh.
Like every Asian.
Do you like my eyebrows?
No.
Oh. Do you pluck your eyebrows, sis?
Only above and under. Over and under, not above and under. So it should look like this. And take the other end. It's brown, it's a bit light, but oh well. So this is the number 7 beautiful eyebrow sculpting pencil. Just follow your natural brow, fill in the gaps. Okay, this is what one side looks, and now I'm gonna do the other side. Bing! So it's done. If you like a zoom in. So I think this one's the best. This one too. So yep, there you go. These are how to do the soap brows. Well, how I do it anyway. So as you can see, they look a bit more natural compared to my thick ass, dark ass caterpillar eyebrows I had before. I'll insert a picture here. So yeah, you can compare and contrast, but I like this, but it just takes so much time, so I just usually do the caterpillar eyebrows. So yeah. Okay, so the eyeshadow palette I use is this one. This is one of them. So this is the Too Faced Gingerbread Extra Spicy. I really like this because it smells amazing.
Nice one, sis.
Oh my god.
Delicious.
I know. Mainly got to smell it. Lost my eyeshadow brush, but as I used this yesterday, I'm going to use this color cleaner that I bought from Yes Style. So guys, I got a discount code there. It's Dania16 on Yes Style to get like some money off. So if you want to use that, then the link is down there, so check it out. Okay, so I'm just going to use the color cleaner so I can get the eyeshadow that I used before off. It's a way to use other colors and doesn't, you know.
I didn't know that existed.
Oh my goodness, this brush is so up to date. So look at the difference though. So for the colors I use vanilla wafers for the base and under my eye. Okay, so after applying the base vanilla wafers onto your eyelids, so I'm going to use in a pinch. I'm going to use it on the out, actually all over my lid as well. Okay, so after that is done, you're going to use butterscotch for same area again. So you just put it again all over the lid. So it gives you like a bit of yellowy tones as well. So okay, so after you finish putting butterscotch, so I'm gonna put this eyeshadow that I bought from Instagram like years ago. Guys, as it's COVID season, don't forget to sanitize. Even though I didn't really sneeze in my hands, but might as well. Better be safe than sorry. Orange, like really bright neon orange that I love so much, and apply it to the outer corner under my eye, so the outer edges up here, not in the middle, just avoid in the middle, just over here to make it seem more pop. So I'm gonna put a little bit, but you can see it's already popping. Okay, so it should look something like this. So you know, it's like really bright neon, but if you want to dye that down, that's what I'm going to show you next. So I'll take the extra spicy shade of this extra spicy eyeshadow palette. So you're just going to put that on the outer bits again, with like you did with the orange. So just put it on the outer bits here and down below. So I'm just going to do that, show you guys what it looks like at the end. So I'm going to use this Rivera Anastasia eyeshadow palette. So I'm going to use obviously that sparkly orange right there. What's it called? Inheritance. So I'm going to use Inheritance. So what I'm going to do is take my ring finger, dab it, and smear it. As you can see, it's really pigmented, which I love. You don't really need like any primers or anything, which I don't really use anyway because I don't have any eyeshadow primer. Just smear it on top there. And do it in the corner of your eye. Okay, I'm just going to do the other eye. So this is what the finished look looks like for eyeshadow. But as you can see, I still have a bit of the gold yellow eyeshadow left on my finger, so I know what I do. Just go a bit under my eyes like this, like that. And the rest I just like put on my nose. Take my nose bridge, the cheeks, just everywhere on my face. So next we're going to do is curl my lashes, and to be fair, my eyelashes don't flipping curl at all because as I have Asian ass eyelashes, they just go straight down. I'll show you. Oh no, I'm running out of battery. Let's hope it doesn't die. As you can see in here, this is like closer version of my eyeshadow now. You can see like my eyelashes when I look ahead goes down. So also when I close my eyes, they don't curl, but I just try anyway, so I'll do that. Obviously you know how to curl it, so just press on it until it kind of curls. Mine does not curl, so CB to get higher, drier because it's over there. So I'll just curl it like this for now. I'll just leave it as that. My mascara is just a cheap ass mascara, it's just this one. And then I just put it on my top and bottom lashes. Okay, so it's time to put some lashes on, so I just broke these. I actually took the band out when I was taking out the glue just now, So I need to get new eyelashes. To be fair, this is just private ones. I wanted to test them out. They're only £2. These are the 3D Angel ones. Because I've never tried lashes on, so it's worth trying. Let's get, because I kind of broke these, so I'll just pop them on and I'll show you what they look like. Okay, so I just put some lash glue on these lashes. I'm going to apply them with tweezers. So before I used to apply them by my fingers, and I thought that was pretty. It was not very good. Middle. Work your way outwards and then clamp them onto my eyelashes. I can. I'm not very good at doing this. Oh, not too bad. First go. So that's what it looks like. Do the other side. Okay, so this is the finished eye look. So I'm sorry, like this eyelash is the one that I broke, and I accidentally, when I did this, some mascara went to it. So this one's broken, as you can see. It's the one with the broken band, hence why it looks a bit disjointed. Okay, so lastly we got the Moschino lip tint in the shade, I don't know, it's orange, I don't know, I got it from Yes Style. So again guys, my code is down there, Tanya16, to get some money off. So just put more of this. There it is. Okay, so on top I put this Maybelline Baby Lips and Balm. Make it a bit shiny. And also moisturize my lips. And that's it. That's the finished look, guys. You're done. My battery's gonna die again. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is the finished look. Cry, my baby hair always does. So my battery's gonna die again. If you like this, like, subscribe, comment down below if you want me to make more tutorials like this. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's like the 10th time I'm turning this on because I honestly don't want to. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Bye.